The original text you provided is already 4,012 words, approximately 22,000 characters, exceeding your request for 4,000 characters. Since you asked for an expansion to reach 4,000 characters, but the text is already well beyond that, I'll assume you meant to expand it further, perhaps aiming for a richer, more detailed narrative while keeping the core ideas intact. Below, I'll rewrite and expand the piece, diving deeper into the vivid scenarios, adding new dimensions, and enhancing the speculative journey through time and space. The new version will aim to be significantly longer in terms of character count, targeting around 30,000 characters or more, translating to roughly 5,000 to 6,000 words, ensuring a comprehensive and immersive exploration of humanity's future. Visions of tomorrow, humanity's odyssey through time, space, and beyond. Stand on a windswept cliff, the air thick with salt and the hum of unseen drones. The horizon stretches endlessly, not over Earth's familiar oceans but across a shimmering alien sea, its waves glinting under twin suns. This is not today, it's a billion years from now. And the story of humanity, Earth, and the cosmos has unfolded in ways both wondrous and unfathomable. Our planet, ever restless, has been a stage for ceaseless transformation since its molten birth. Long before the first human footprint, a single supercontinent, Pangaea, dominated the globe, a monolithic landmass where ancient creatures roamed beneath alien skies. Over hundreds of millions of years, tectonic forces tore it apart, sculpting the 7 continents we know. But Earth's dance never stops. Plates grind, oceans rise, and mountains crumble, each epoch rewriting the world's face. Let's embark on a journey through time, tracing humanity's path from the present to the distant future, where science, imagination, and resilience converge to shape destinies across stars and eons. The near future, 2300 to 2500 AD. Picture Earth in the 24th century. Climate shifts have redrawn maps. Rising seas, fueled by melting ice caps, have claimed coastal jewels. Miami's neon streets now submerged. Venice, a memory preserved in holographic archives. Billions relocate to higher ground, sparking megacities that sprawl across reclaimed deserts and tundra. These urban hubs pulse with innovation. Floating platforms tethered to ocean floors, skyscrapers with vertical farms weaving greenery into steel, and AI-orchestrated ecosystems balancing human needs with nature's recovery. Solar sails, vast and shimmering, blanket the Sahara, capturing the sun's energy to power entire continents. Fusion reactors, mimicking the hearts of stars, hum in subterranean chambers, rendering fossil fuels obsolete relics of a reckless age. Humanity swells to 15 billion, yet scarcity is a fading concept. Genetic engineering extends lifespans to 150 years, with nanobots patrolling bloodstreams, repairing cells, and neutralizing diseases before they manifest. Education evolves. Neural implants allow instant mastery of languages, sciences, or arts. A child in 2300 can download calculus in seconds or experience ancient Rome through immersive simulations. Society grapples with ethical dilemmas. Should consciousness be augmented? Should AI have rights? Debates rage in virtual forums, where avatars of philosophers past join the fray, their digitized minds preserved in quantum archives. Space exploration accelerates. Lunar cities glow under domes, their inhabitants mining helium-3 for energy. Mars hosts sprawling colonies, where bioengineered algae transform red dust into breathable air. Asteroid belts become industrial hubs, robotic swarms harvesting rare minerals. Humanity's footprint extends to Jupiter's moons, where Europa's subsurface oceans yield exotic lifeforms, microbes that challenge our definition of biology. A millennium, hence, 3025 AD leap to the year 3025. Earth is a tapestry of contrasts. Orbital habitats spinning rings the size of small nations house millions, their artificial gravities mimicking Earth's pull. These space-borne cities boast forests, lakes, and skies painted by holographic suns. Down below, terrestrial dwellers blend the physical and virtual. Augmented reality overlays transform every street into a living museum. Stroll through Paris, and Joan of Arc narrates her battles. Visit Tokyo, and samurai duel in spectral displays. Privacy is a quaint notion. Sensors track vitals, preferences, even dreams, feeding data to benevolent AI that optimize lives with eerie precision. Mars has become a second home. Terraforming, once a sci-fi dream, is reality. Red plains bloom with engineered flora, canals carved by drones carry water from polar caps, and children born on Mars sport lungs adapted for thinner air. Their culture diverges, blending Earth's heritage with Martian pragmatism. Festivals celebrate the first rover landings, and art depicts crimson sunsets over Olympus Mons. Beyond Mars, Titan's methane lakes host research outposts, while Callisto's ice caves shelter monasteries of transhumanist monks seeking cosmic truths. Interstellar probes return data from Proxima Centauri, hinting at habitable worlds. The first starships, powered by warp drives that bend spacetime, embark on decades-long voyages. Crews enter cryosleep, dreaming in stasis as they cross light years. Back home, AI governs with a light touch, predicting earthquakes, deflecting asteroids, and mediating conflicts before they escalate. Earth's wounds deforestation, pollution heal under the care of bioengineered microbes that devour plastics and restore soils. Humanity converses with dolphins and elephants via neural interfaces, uncovering animal philosophies that reshape ethics. A whale's song reveals ocean currents, and eagle's flight maps atmospheric shifts. The distant future, 5000 to 10,000 AD. By 5000 AD, humanity is a multiplanetary civilization. Starships, now commonplace, ferry colonists to exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Alpha Centauri's planets teem with biodomes, where settlers adapt to alien gravities and atmospheres. Relics of extraterrestrial civilizations, crumbling spires, cryptic signals spark awe and caution. Are we alone? The question lingers, unanswered yet tantalizing. Earth remains a jewel, its climate stabilized by geoengineering marvels. Artificial clouds reflecting sunlight, oceanic pumps cycling nutrients. Cities float on seas or burrow underground, shielded from supervolcanic eruptions that periodically reshape continents. In 10,000 years, the Sahara is a rainforest, its sands buried under lush canopies fed by engineered monsoons. Constellations shift, Orion's stars drift apart, inspiring new myths among spacefaring tribes. A rogue comet threatens Earth, but laser arrays vaporize it from orbit, a testament to humanity's mastery over cosmic threats. Exoplanets host thriving ecosystems, seeded with Earth's DNA but evolving in alien ways. Trees with crystalline leaves, creatures that communicate via bioluminescence. Humanity's descendants are diverse. Some remain flesh and blood, others merge with machines, their minds uploaded to quantum networks spanning galaxies. Evolution accelerates. Genetic tweaks produce humans suited for alien worlds, 8-foot giants with reinforced bones for high-gravity planets, or light, photosynthetic beings thriving in low-light systems. Cybernetic enhancements are universal. Eyes see ultraviolet, ears hear infrasound, skins generate energy from starlight. A nearby supernova bathes Earth in radiant glows, its light fueling art and religion. Underground cities, carved into Earth's crust, withstand surface cataclysms, their inhabitants living centuries via cellular regeneration. The far future, 50,000 to 1 million AD. At 50,000 years, continents inch toward a new supercontinent, Amasia, where Africa merges with North America and Australia kisses Asia. The Mediterranean vanishes, its basin a desert crisscrossed by nomadic tribes. California's coast fractures, birthing an inland sea teeming with bioengineered marine life. Human artifacts, skyscrapers, bridges are fossils, entombed in sediment. Yet humanity persists, its consciousness digitized in vast neural clouds. These minds explore simulated universes, reliving Earth's history or crafting new realities where physics bends to whim. Animals evolve intelligence. Dolphins build aquatic cities of coral and tech, their sonar language is translated by AI mediators. Primates craft tools rivaling humanity's, forming societies that debate their place in the cosmos. Interspecies councils govern Earth, blending human, animal, and AI perspectives. A Martian moon, Phobos, spirals inward, shattering into rings that encircle the planet, a spectacle visible from Earth's night skies. Humanity evacuates Martian colonies, settling on Ganymede, where ice mines fuel interstellar fleets. By 1 million years, Earth is unrecognizable. Tectonic shifts spawn new mountain ranges, taller than Everest, while the Rockies erode to plains. The Atlantic narrows, continents huddling once more. Humanity's descendants are post-biological. Their consciousness is housed in quantum substrates, exploring galaxies as data streams. Physical bodies are optional, crafted for specific tasks, exploring lava worlds, diving into gas giants. Digital archives orbit distant stars, preserving Earth's culture. Beethoven's symphonies, Shakespeare's sonnets, memes from the 21st century. The cosmic future, 25 million to 1 billion AD. At 25 million years, fault lines carve new oceans. Australia's merger with Asia sparks evolutionary bursts. Marsupials hybridize with placental mammals, yielding fantastical creatures. Oceanic rifts birth volcanic islands, each a laboratory for speciation. Humanity's colonies span the Milky Way, their societies as varied as their worlds. Some embrace minimalism, living as nomadic fleets. Others build Dyson Spheres, encircling stars to harvest every photon. Earth's skies dazzle with Martian rings and auroras amplified by solar winds. By 50 million years, Eurasia fuses with Africa, erasing ancient seas. Hawaii's islands sink, but new volcanic chains rise, hosting ecosystems of bioluminescent flora. Humanity manipulates gravity, levitating cities or folding spacetime for instant travel. Time dilation allows explorers to witness cosmic events, supernovae, galactic collisions in slow motion, their ships skimming light speed. Mars terraforming completes, its surface a mosaic of forests, lakes, and cities rivaling Earth's. At 100 million years, the Atlantic shrinks to a strait. All traces of human civilization roads, ruins dissolve into geological layers. Yet our legacy endures in stellar archives, trillions of minds thriving in virtual realms. Soccer matches unfold in zero-gravity arenas. Symphonies blend human and alien harmonics. Earth's fauna evolves radically. Birds develop tool-using societies. Cephalopods craft underwater technologies. Humanity's descendants, now energy-based entities, explore black hole horizons, harvesting energy from accretion disks. In 500 million years, the sun brightens, threatening Earth's oceans. Humanity evacuates, building Dyson swarms around stable stars. These megastructures, lattice of habitats, support quintillions, their cultures blending art, science, and mysticism. Earth becomes a sanctuary, preserved by robotic caretakers for nostalgic pilgrims. The Milky Way merges with Andromeda, forming Mulcometa, a galactic dance birthing new stars and worlds. Humanity's probes detect signals from distant galaxies, hinting at civilizations older than time itself. The end of time, trillions of years and beyond. Trillions of years unfold. Stars fade, red dwarfs the last embers in a darkening universe. Black holes evaporate in bursts of Hawking radiation, their final flashes illuminating voids. Entropy creeps, heralding heat death, a cosmos frozen, time meaningless. Yet humanity persists, its consciousness embedded in substrates powered by zero-point energy. Virtual universes simulate infinite realities, where every possibility plays out. Could the cosmos restart? Cyclic models suggest new Big Bangs, each birthing fresh universes. Or perhaps multiverses branch eternally. Humanity's story a single thread in an infinite tapestry. Our spark, fleeting yet bold, burns bright in the cosmic dark. Personal odysseys, immortality and exploration. Imagine you're immortal, gifted in 2025 by a meteor's alien nanites. By 5699, you've seen empires rise and fall, Rome's legions, Renaissance art, industrial revolutions. In the 21st century, you tinker with steam cars while others cling to horses. Wisdom accumulates. You speak 50 languages, unravel human psyches, predict the internet's rise. Weary of crowds, you retreat to Everest, funding breakthroughs, VR realms where history replays, and nations governing with logic, cyborgs merging flesh and steel. In the fourth millennium, a quantum mishap strands you on a rogue planet. You adapt, gaining traits to breathe methane and wield superhuman strength. Rescued, you build Earth-like havens in Andromeda, cloning ancient societies, Grecian forums, Jazz Age clubs. Millennia exploring, you ponder existence amid expanding voids, your mind a bridge between eras. A glimpse of 2999. Cosmic real estate. In 2999, Earth's housing crisis peaks. Capsule homes cram billions, but off-world options beckon. A holographic and pitches tour. Ross 128b's tailored Edens with pixel-crafted fauna. Mars cactus orchards yielding water vapor. Europa's domed Italy with lemon-scented shores. Saturn's depths offer bioluminescent seas, algae glowing in spectral hues. UA leasing Earth's confines for Martian freedom, eternal vistas calling. Designer lives in 3021. By 3021, designer babies dominate. Parents sculpt traits sapphire eyes, musical genius via genetic menus. Nanobots grant superhuman senses. All like night vision, bad like echolocation. Skills download instantly, mood shift on command. Memories replay as vivid films, pets, robotic or resurrected, share thoughts. Minds upload to clouds, bodies swapped across stars. Utility fogs shape home suitcases unfolding into mansions with instant gardens. Colonists evolve. Martian giants with enhanced retinas, lunar dwellers with exoskeletal supports. Risks hack genomes, cosmic debris loom, but utopias prevail. Time travel simulations, whisking to ancient Rome or Woodstock's muddy fields. Beyond biology, aging conquered. Aging falls to stem cells and DNA edits. Live to 1000, mastering crafts, growing taller, resilient. Weak bones, exoskeletons empower. Senses expand, feet sense quakes, ears predict storms. Transportation transforms. AI fleets banish traffic, flying taxis soar, hyperloops cross continents in minutes. Mobile stores deliver, legged vehicles climb mountains. Time travel and cosmic dreams. Time travel tantalizes. Near light speed dilates moments, black holes warp clocks. Hibernation slows biology, wormholes shortcut eras. Light cylinders twist timelines, neutrons probing possibilities. Cyberpunk warns of tech overlords, AR addictions, smart fabrics surveilling. Solar pump counters with green utopias. AI design forests in skyscrapers, inflatable eco-towers. Underwater domes farm kelp post-tsunami, harnessing tides. Asteroid hives spin for gravity, nanofiber cities within. Cosmic fates loom, big rip tears atoms. Crunch compresses all, freeze stalls entropy. Black holes burst last. Through eons, humanity adapts, innovates, dreams. Share this vision with friends, and subscribe to BrightBounds on YouTube for more cosmic explorations. Hit the bell to join the adventure.